welcome to ESL Revolution, everyone. I am your content creator and professor, Dr. B. Not a real doctor. I hope you are doing excellent and awesome today. It's fantastic to have you back in the classroom with me, my beginner, my intermediate, my advanced students. I'm ready to go. I hope you are too. Now, this is going to be a 10 to 15, maybe 20-minute video explaining one of the key apps that I'm going to be using in the classroom with you throughout semester one. So stay tuned, everyone. Buckle up, because here we go. All right. So, Flipgrid. That's the app. Okay, this is one of the key apps that we will be using for the program. As you can see, it is, oh wait, it's over here. That's right, because it's on the other side of my monitor. So here is Flipgrid over here. Now, Flipgrid is an app that can be used with teachers and students, particularly you, to record your answers via video and send them to me to the Flipgrid program. Now, this Flipgrid program, you can download the app, bing, right here on your phone, or if you have a laptop with a webcam, you could use that as well and use the app through, let's say, Google Chrome, or if you've got like a webcam set up like I do here, then great, awesome. However, for convenience, the Flipgrid app is super to use because everybody has a phone. All phones have cameras, all phones have speakers, all phones have microphones, and you are good to go. All right, so the reason why I use this app is to extend the language use outside of the classroom. What I mean by that is in Korean schools, English language is very much in the classroom. Anything outside the classroom, English? 몰라요. I don't know. Right? No, not in my class, because this gives me the ability to ask you a question or a couple of questions. You can think about them at home, get on your phone, record a video in English, and send it to me through the Flipgrid app. Bing, bang, boom. It's so easy. And I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. So, two things that you will need. Obviously, we have the app. And the second is we're going to need a Google account. Yes, you will need a Gmail account for this. We are going to set up Gmail accounts on the very first day of school. So, if you don't have one, that's okay, because we're going to work through this on day number one. Okay, day number one, we're going to take care of this. So if you don't have one yet, don't worry, I will take care of you. All right, so how then do we get into the program? Good question. Here's the answer. Okay, so what you need to do is you're going to need to sign up. Now, sign up today. It's free. Yay for you. Excellent. It is free. Now, you can actually just click here, and it's a join code. All right. Each class has a join code. You click on here. You put the code here and click go. Yeah, that's it. That's all you need. However, the other thing that you can do, which I actually would recommend, is you can sign up using Flipgrid with your Gmail account. Now, this is what I've done. So you can go here. Wait, is it that one? I don't remember if that's the one I'm using. I hope it is. Let's see here. There we go. Okay. So this is my Flipgrid account. This is what I see, okay? And I'm just going to bring that down right there. Okay. So we have all of the classes. All right. So we've got my Monday, my Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday classes. And you're going to see that there's already a topic in there because I put one in there for you already. This is your homework. But don't worry about that because I'm going to explain it in the classroom. So let's say we go to, well, let's start at the beginning. So Monday, 1 a.m. beginner conversation. This is your class. If you're a Monday student, 11 a.m. with me, this is your Flipgrid account. Now, taking a look at this, you can see that I have one topic down here already for you. And up here, I have a join code. Now, each join code is different, okay? Each join code is different. Each class has their own unique join code. So what I will do is, in the classroom, I will show you your join code. You can go into you download the app on your phone, and I give you the join code, you type it in, and bang, you are into the class. You can record your answers directly on your phone with Flipgrid. So this is just a very basic understanding of the login process. Okay, now once you've logged in, what do? I don't know, teacher. Please help me. Yes, of course. So I've put down in here, we have an introduction video, okay? So here we go. So here is view as student. That's not what I want. Wait. Yes. And I'm going to put I think this is right. No, it's not right. There we go. Okay. So this is what you will see, okay? You're going to see this on your phone, or you're going to see this on your computer. So you can tell today, February 17th, I've created this for you. Welcome back, students. Now, how do we do this? So I've logged in as example student, right? This is me. However, on the first class, I'm going to be giving each of you your own username and password, okay? So don't worry about that right now. I will be doing that for you. Now, as you can see, I've given you some instructions. Okay. So, your Flipgrid assignment. Welcome back, students, to Term 1, 2021, blah, blah, blah. And you've got 5 questions, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 5 questions. And these are introductory questions. You're going to hit this button to record a response, okay? I'm not going to hit the record button because if I do that, this camera is going to shut off because it only allows one camera at a time, but that's what you do. Then once you've finished, you save the video and you upload it, or it will automatically upload to Flipgrid. I will then get an email or a little pop-up message on my phone telling me that you uploaded a video. Okay? That is essentially the process of how this works. Now, of course, there might be some questions. Please, by all means, let me know in the comments below. All right? This is a YouTube video, so go ahead, make a comment below, doesn't matter, or send me a message and I will be happy to help you out. Okay? Anyway, Thank you very much, everybody. I hope this gives you a little taste of things to come. Have a great day. Be well, be safe, wear your masks, and I will see you next time in English class. Bye for now. Peace.